Our next topic is writing a professional resume. This is such an important part of your professional career. It will be used for graduate schools, for employment, and potentially for grants and anything else that you might need in the future. So it's really important to have a good resume. There's a short, about 7-minute video on how to write a resume from the University of New Hampshire that is very good. I would highly suggest that you watch that before starting your resume. And a PowerPoint as well that talks about good resume writing tips. One thing that I want to bring out, point to your attention, is a lot of times students when writing resumes forget to use action verbs. And it's really important to use unique action verbs for each point in your job description. And I did a quick Google search and I just posted this one that gives you a whole lot of different action words that you can use on your resume. Please note that jobs that you're currently doing are always done in the present tense, and jobs that you've completed are listed in the past tense. I also would highly recommend for you to do a Google search on just resumes to try to find some that might appeal to your needs. Most college students are probably going to use a Word document template, and that will not make you stand out. So if you want to stand out, try to be creative in your resume writing, but not so creative that it's not professional. So keep both of those things in mind. Check on Google, find some cool resumes that might be out there, or come up with your own design based on what you like. Be sure not to have too much white space on your resume, and a lot of these tips are given in these videos and PowerPoints. There is a checklist that is going to be that your peers are going to use to review your resume. We're doing peer reviews of the resume just like we did peer reviews of your mock interview. So make sure you go through the checklist before you submit your resume so you know how your peers will be evaluating you. Once you finish your resume, you're going to upload it to the same tool that you did for your mock interview, and then when the resumes are due that night, you'll be paired with 2 other students to review their resumes. After the review of the resumes is done, you will have 1 week to revise your resume and submit it again on the following link, revised resume. So this is a 3-week process. You'll turn in your resume 1 week, the next week your peers will have reviews, and the following week you'll upload your revised resume. I hope that makes all the sense in the world, and you have a great day. We'll talk soon.